Hello and welcome to this fast activity brought to you by Central Northern Regional Libraries. My name's Julian and today we're going to make these really cool balloon cars out of Lego. All you're going to need for this one is some Lego, preferably with wheels to build cars, and some balloons. And that's it. Let's get started. Okay, so I've made two pretty basic cars here. And notice how I've left a big gap at the back. That's what we're going to build our tower on to hold the balloon. What you're going to want to do is build a tower up. You have to build a tower up in order to leave space for the balloon. So you need to blow it up quite big. And if you have it too low, the balloon will be hitting the ground, and we don't want that. All right. So I'm just going to build this up here. And we wanted it at the back sort of center of the car. Let's build this up. And we need a holder for the balloon. So I've got a 4x2 and a couple of small blocks. And then we're going to put that on top, and it's going to hold our balloon in like this after we blow it up. All right, and with this other one, I'm going to do a similar thing. So these are two custom built cars that I've made. You can also use a car that comes part of a kit. This was part of Lego City, and I've just modified the top and put the balloon holder up there. All right, shall we try them out? So what you want to do is, after you've blown up the balloon, you want to place it in between that mount that we made at the top, and just hold on to the end of the balloon, place it in there, place the other bit on top, and then when you're ready, let it go. Notice from my tests there, the two larger cars, the blue and the red one, went a lot better than the little green one, and there's a few reasons for that. If you look at the wheel span, the width of the cars, you'll notice the blue and the red one are a lot wider, which increases the stability of the car. The other thing is the weight and the distribution of the weight. You can see in this video the green car hasn't got enough weight in the back, and it's too small, and it's lifting off, causing it to swerve all over the place. And you notice the other two drive past, and because of the extra weight and the distribution of that weight, they run a lot smoother, and they're able to handle that turbulent air coming out of the balloon a lot better. Anyway, you guys should experiment with it and have fun. See ya.
Today we're going to show you how to make your own Zoetrope. This is an animation device created roughly 150 years ago, and it's going to bring your cartoons to life. For this workshop you will need 2 pieces of paper the same size. You'll need a pair of scissors. You're going to need some glue or some tape. Masking tape's really handy because you can draw over the top of it. Sticky tape is absolutely fine. You're also going to need some textures, pencils, that sort of thing, because you're going to be drawing cartoons. And you're also going to either need 1 super sharp pencil or 1 kebab stick, or if you're lucky, a Lazy Susan.